Okay, so I'm at my parents' house, and I'm currently inside my old childhood room. I don't know if you can tell by some of the old paintings and some of the suits and stuff like that, but I got all my stuff shipped, and we're going to be doing a lot of work today. I don't know if you can hear from the background noise, but it is super windy today, so odds are I'm not going to be doing audio recording outside, but here's the rundown of what's going on. I reached out to Billet Technology because I misplaced some of the parts of my old catch can, and they were totally understanding. They got back to me after about 48 hours, and they actually sent me a new bolt, spacer, and washer free of charge. They're like, no problem, it's all good, we'll send it out to you. So shout out to Billet Technology for being super clutch. I also got the throttle body from Modern Muscle Extreme, which I'm really excited to install. It's an 87mm throttle body. It's gotten really good reviews from a lot of my friends, so hopefully this will end up really cool. And then I got the Volant Cold Air Intake with the carbon fiber top, because with the Hellcat, you can't have just like a pure cold air intake, especially in Rochester. It's no go. But it's got the Pro 5 filter in it, so it's going to look and sound real mean. So we got a lot of work to do today, and I'm super excited. The cherry on top, of course, is this little itty bitty thing that I bought off eBay just as a kind of gimmick. But I got a little centerpiece for my steering wheel, a little purple thing that says Scat Pack, so it's going to match all the purple of the car. It's going to be so awesome. Because it's windy, there isn't going to be much audio. During the recording of the stuff outside, odds are there's going to be some puppies that end up showing up because my parents and sister have 3 dogs. We have Zoe, who's the chubby little husky. We have Lola, who's the black lab and Italian greyhound mix. And then Sadie, little sad face Sadie, the German shepherd baby. They're probably going to show up because they can never leave me alone whenever I'm here. It's going to be a good day. I have the day off, and it's just going to be nothing but cars. I'm really excited. I hope you like what we end up doing today.
What are you doing? Get all wound up.
Do I smell like cars?
Oh, you guys need to peek in here.
Come here. I know that's my strap. Okay, so I just finished all of my internal car work. I'm gonna head to the apartment to clean it all up and then attach my HT sticker to the windshield. This was a long day, you know, not without some bleeding. It was a lot of fun though. It sounds absolutely great. I want to see what it does on the road, see if it actually made any change to how it feels without a tune, because I know down the road I am going to have to tune it just so that the computer understands what's going on in the engine now. But yeah, this was a good day, and you got to see some pups, right? That's always good. All right, let's get out of here.